Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Money Magnet. Today we have an exciting and highly requested topic. Dave Ramsey's proven 5 rules to get rich fast. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content on personal finance, wealth building and success. Now, let's dive right into the world of financial prosperity with Dave Ramsey's time-tested principles. Rule 1. Save and invest wisely. Rule number 1 is all about the foundation of financial success, saving and investing wisely. Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of building an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This acts as a safety net, protecting you from unforeseen circumstances like job loss or medical emergencies. Once you have your emergency fund in place, it's time to invest. Dave recommends mutual funds, 401, KAs and IRAs as excellent tools for building long-term wealth. Let's break down each component in detail. Emergency fund. The emergency fund is your financial cushion. It provides peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Dave suggests starting small, perhaps with $1,000, and gradually building it up to cover several months' worth of living expenses. This ensures you have a financial buffer to navigate through life's uncertainties without derailing your progress towards wealth. Investing in mutual funds. Now, let's talk about investing. Dave Ramsey is a strong advocate for mutual funds. These are a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Mutual funds provide a hands-off approach to investing, making them ideal for those who may not have the time or expertise to actively manage their portfolios. By investing consistently over time, you can benefit from compound interest and see your wealth grow exponentially. Rule 2. Live below your means. Rule number 2 is a game changer. Live below your means. Dave Ramsey often says, if you will live like no one else, later you can live like no one else. This rule is about making intentional choices with your money, avoiding unnecessary debt, and prioritizing your financial future over immediate gratification. Let's explore how living below your means can pave the way to wealth. The first step in living below your means is creating a budget. This involves tracking your income, expenses, and allocating funds to different categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. A budget empowers you to make informed decisions about your spending, ensuring that you are not exceeding your income and can allocate surplus funds towards saving and investing. Avoiding debt. Another crucial aspect of living below your means is avoiding debt. Dave Ramsey is famously known for his debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first, gaining momentum as you move on to larger ones. By eliminating debt, you free up more of your income for saving and investing, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Rule 3. Avoid bad debt host. Building on the debt-free philosophy, rule number 3 focuses on avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is created equal, and Dave Ramsey draws a clear distinction between good and bad debt. Let's delve into the types of debt to steer clear of and how this aligns with the path to fast and proven wealth. Good debt versus bad debt. Good debt, according to Ramsey, is debt that helps you build wealth, such as a mortgage for a home or a loan for an investment. On the flip side, bad debt includes high-interest consumer debt like credit cards and car loans. The interest on these types of debt can quickly accumulate, hindering your ability to save and invest. By avoiding bad debt, you position yourself for financial success. Rule 4. Build a solid credit score. Rule number 4 may surprise some. Build a solid credit score. While Dave Ramsey is a strong advocate for avoiding unnecessary debt, he acknowledges the importance of having a good credit score for certain aspects of life. Let's explore why having good credit is a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. Importance of credit score. Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial responsibility. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates on loans, lower insurance premiums, and even impact your ability to secure certain jobs or housing. Dave Ramsey advises maintaining a good credit score without falling into the trap of accumulating bad debt. This strategic approach ensures you can leverage credit when needed without sacrificing your financial well-being. Rule 5. Give back. Last but certainly not least, rule number 5 is about the power of giving back. Dave Ramsey is a firm believer in the principle of generosity. Contrary to the idea that accumulating wealth is a purely self-centered endeavor, Ramsey argues that true wealth is about making a positive impact on the lives of others. Let's explore the philosophy behind giving back and how it contributes to your journey to financial prosperity. The power of generosity. Giving back is not just about financial donations. It's also about giving your time, skills, and resources to help others. Ramsey emphasizes that generosity is a key component of building wealth with a purpose. As you experience financial success, paying it forward creates a cycle of positivity and abundance. Whether it's supporting charitable causes or helping those in your community, giving back is a fulfilling aspect of wealth building that goes beyond the accumulation of money. And there you have it, Dave Ramsey's proven 5 rules to get rich fast. These principles, rooted in financial discipline, intentional living, and generosity, have stood the test of time and proven effective for countless individuals. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. By incorporating these rules into your financial strategy, you're setting yourself on a path towards lasting prosperity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially empowered.